guys, welcome to It's Penny-Da. This is Eric, your co-host, and this is Penny-Da. Today,
we're gonna be trying Thai snacks. Woo! We're in Thailand. So if you guys watched my previous video trying different Korean snacks and I was in Korea, now that I'm in Thailand, why not do it?
we got our snacks at 7-Eleven. This is not sponsored, but 7-Eleven, if you would like to reach out to us, like, let us know. We paid 550 baht, which is, you can do the conversion for us. We'll put it down below. Anyway, so we're gonna start off with a grilled cheese.
Period.
And then they heat it up for you, and then they put it in this thing.
What the? I like it.
It's okay. I love grilled cheese.
Honestly,
they're pretty good.
the cheese is kind of thick though. It's like,
I like them thick. Anyway.
You guys see that waterfall in the background?
Ooh. That's just how turn off.
Turn off?
Red Bull! Red Bull is
Heart
from
attack.
Thailand. Why do we have so many fucking tampons? I say we're gonna
I think this is Red Bull, okay? It looks like the Red Bull logo. Bless the bottle. I like it. Matter of fact, I love it. It tastes really good.
I don't like Red Bull.
It tastes really good. Rice cracker.
Rice cracker with pork floss. Forgive us, we don't know what this means or says, but I think this is popular.
Ghetto. Is that how you open it? What the heck?
Why is mine so fucking big? Finish it off.
No. It's actually not bad. It looks weird, but it tastes good.
Okay, this tastes like a chicharron.
It tastes like pork skins or something like that.
That's what chicharron is.
Oh shit.
Pork skin, dried pork skin. It's literally like, I don't know what the fuck this is, but there's dried pork skin on the top, so it tastes like dried pork skin.
Face mask, guys.
We got face masks. They cost about 89 baht. I don't know what that is again, but you guys can convert it for yourselves.
It's called Ramayana.
Ramaman, right?
Do I need a knife? Is it loogie? I mean,
No.
what the freak did I just say?
It's a fucking
Why is it wet?
dragon.
It's
That's
wet.
What it's supposed to be.
I've never done a face mask.
You've never done a face mask? Oh my god.
Smells good.
We got lemongrass. By the way, this was the most expensive one they had besides like Korean brand ones, but this one actually is made in Thailand apparently. I think. Oh no, it's still made in Korea. I never know how to do it.
Welcome to my ghetto ass YouTube channel. You thought?
Hoes, bitch! I was thinking that like new Coke.
Oh, I'm gonna eat out of this.
I don't think I put it on right.
In Thailand, it's very, very humid and it's freaking
You need to wash your body everywhere, always.
At least 3 times a day
Yeah, you need to fucking
to
clean
keep
that
the
shit.
mosquitoes away. You like that, huh?
I like it. Oh! I fucking tasted it. There you go.
Alright guys, the next snack is gonna be, I don't know, it looks like Ruffles, okay? Looks like freaking Ruffles.
Wait, we have 2 of those.
Do we?
They go hand in hand.
Ooh, dynamic duo, okay.
It's called
Where?
No, we can't read it. We can't read it. Tasto, maybe?
Oh, in the...
No, it's all it's all in Thai.
In the rock.
This is... Okay, open it. How did you open yours? Why the fuck did you open it that way? And how did you open it? Fuck. I don't eat chips either, you know that?
I wouldn't buy them though. Let me try one of yours.
Ew. You just gotta...
Oh shoot.
I just gotta, like, so...
I think I like yours better.
Oh, it's like Little House in the Prairie and this.
We about
Where the
to
fuck is the hot
get
water?
ready to make Thai tea.
And you guys got fucking...
$1 bella.
So guys, I got my water. Oh wait, what the fuck is this?
We're not using that water. Look how unclean that looks. I have a water bottle upstairs.
I got my water, guys.
No,
for
you got
Thai
your, yeah,
tea.
you got your water. You're right. I ain't using that. I'm gonna get my water upstairs.
Hey!
I don't know where my water's at.
What?
I don't know where my water's at.
Ah! I almost fell.
It was here. Like right here. Where the fuck did it go?
Okay, guys, so the water is missing.
Did I leave it in the taxi? It's not in the bathroom. Oh, there it is.
Yeah! Guys, this is behind the scenes.
Looks like you. And we making it work. Is this an iron board? Like the stabler, right?
Yeah!
And you put the iron board
You
on.
fucking make that, you can expand it.
Oh, shoot, fancy.
I don't know, I think it's a drying rack.
Oh, is it?
If you guys know what this is,
Comment down below, please.
comment down below.
Help us to step up.
And put the link.
Something.
Okay.
Oh, and show them that. That's our tripod, by the way. Hey, you gotta improvise. Is that the word? Improvise. How to make the Thai tea. This is what it looks like. There we go.
There's not English on this, but the guy said to get hot water and make tea.
Oh, it definitely smells like tea.
Okay.
Make it
oh,
rain,
make it
make
rain.
it-
Bitch, that has to go in our mouth.
Oh, wait, what?
Like, I mean, not your mouth, but
No, you missed
that's
that.
all on the floor.
Oh, I thought you was open your mouth. Oh, I get what you're
Yes.
saying. I'm slow.
Oh my god, this is happiness in a bowl. We're just gonna do cold water.
Water. Oh, shit.
Oh shit, is it turning red yet?
No.
It's not supposed to turn red. Do it like this, and we're gonna put it in the microwave. Penny, do the microwave. Du-du-du-du. Whoa, there's a microwave. How close?
240 is fine. Now we wait. What is that, birds?
Thai tea. Drink to that. What the fuck?
I don't like it.
I thought they said the milk was in it.
Milk.
It smells fucking amazing, but it tastes.
It does smell good. No. Año.
Honestly, I think it's fine, but you need milk and you need sugar.
Sugar, definitely.
We thought there was sugar and milk already included because we're fucking stupid Americans. So this is actual Thai tea, not the Thai tea that you get at your local boba shop with like hot sugar. So they're peanuts that are coconut cream coated. Yeah. Let me open it.
Ooh, they smell good. They smell super good.
Oh my gosh, are they crunchy?
They're actually kind of good.
Put a bunch in your mouth.
These are good. I recommend these. This is what's next.
What the fuck is this?
It tastes good, but
It's like fucking Jello.
yeah, it's kind of weird. It's Jello juice. Oh, it says jelly. Maybe that's Jello.
Honestly, it's pretty bomb. It's like drinking Jello, but apparently it has collagen, so we're gonna have nice hair. Has only 35 calories, you said?
Oh,
Sing.
it's
This-
beer.
This is Thai beer, product of Thailand. Most famous Thai beer. I think oldest Thai beer.
It was established 1933.
Damn, that was way before your time.
God, that stank. Woo!
Woo! Come back. Pour it up, pour it up. This is not fair.
I'm not drinking that.
This
I
is
don't
not
like
fair.
beer. It smells like a Modelo Corona.
No!
That's all for me tonight, folks.
But it literally tastes like a Modelo, but like a less strong Modelo.
It does. Okay.
Sorry. I'm eating a lot of foreign foods right now, so my body's adjusting.
And you're a spitter.
And I'm a
She
spitter.
spit on me too many
At
times.
least I'm not a swallower.
You swallowing right now. Bruh, what the freak? The next snack is menorah fried shrimp tips. They look nasty, yo. I don't even know why I'm eating these. Ooh, it smells like my...
Ah, they busted!
Well, they're not that bad.
It smells like the vagina of that old lady that was shooting out fucking bananas at you last night.
You guys, there was an old lady putting bananas in her, her thing, and she threw it at me.
We went to a ping pong show. There were some old people there. A sex show. Yeah, we literally walked into people like having intercourse.
They were. I was like, what is this?
And then we were forced to buy a 1,200 baht drink. What the heck?
That was a snake going into the hole.
Oh my god.
Oh, are we supposed to put the chili on there?
There's chili that comes in here. Let's try it.
You guys, they offer a lot of ketchup in Thailand.
They do, huh?
Like-
Oh, we smell bad.
You have to think that.
Ladies, if you wanna, what is it, deflect the men?
I don't know what you're trying to say.
You know those horny men that like always are like hollering and hooting at the girls
Yeah.
at the club?
If you want to ignore them.
Yeah, but if you wanna like prevent them, it's like,
Yeah.
this is like sunblock.
Oh, eat that shit. Yeah,
Eat
yeah,
that
yeah,
shit and
yeah.
rub it all around everywhere.
I love you, Brianna, if you're watching this video.
God bless you, Brianna. Happy birthday! It's her birthday this month.
Lick.
Lick, I wanna eat your.
But I can't, so I'ma pick it up with chopsticks. Mouth wide open. Mouth wide open like I was at the dentist. You're supposed to finish it.
Is that it?
Yeah, that is it.
Oh my god, viewers, I think we're done with this video.
When we were in high school, people said we looked like brother and sister. It's kind of weird.
I think people are just racist. They were like,
Dark skin, dark hair.
skin, dark hair, curly hair.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, the brother and sister.
Yeah.
Oh, both ratchet and loud.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fun.
Anyways, that concludes my video. We agree.